Accidents can happen. That's why we want to help you understand the process of opening a damage claim with HyreCar if you ever need to. Both parties, drivers and owners, are required to submit the damage claim details to HyreCar in the case of an accident. Drivers, first things first, please ensure everyone involved is okay. The next step is to gather the facts of loss. This includes taking pictures, submitting a police report, and providing a description of the accident. Please ensure you gather personal information for all parties involved. Drivers, once you gather the information, you can submit all the claim details through your HyreCar driver app. Just go to your Rentals tab and you will see an option to create a damage claim. Please be sure to also file a claim with the rideshare or delivery service if you were logged in at the time of the accident. Owners, if your vehicle is damaged, the first step is to retrieve it from the driver as soon as possible. This may include retrieving the vehicle if it was impounded due to damages. Please note that it's important that you keep your damaged vehicle off the HyreCar marketplace during the claims process. Once you have the vehicle in your possession, simply end the rental if you haven't already and create the damage claim through your owner dashboard. This is where you will upload all supporting documents that you've gathered together with your driver's assistance. Drivers and owners, once the claim is created with HyreCar and the insurance investigation begins, please be prepared to speak with the claims team to share your information of the events during the claim investigation. Remember, in order for our team to process a damage claim submission, it is very important to submit as much detail of the incident to our claims team to progress with your case, and stay as communicative with our team as possible, as they may follow up with you for further information that may be required. Feel free to give us a call or visit our website to contact our team with any questions you may have.